This I got from Dollar Tree. It is old and it is beat up, but we're gonna just hit it with some white spray paint. Only took one coat, and then I had an idea. It did not work out the way that I wanted it to work out, but I wanted the letters to kind of to pop out. So I took the black paint, and then I took a wet piece of tissue just to. I was trying to wipe the underneath, not the top, and then it was all coming off. So then I started putting it back on, and then I was like, let's give it a distress look. But that wasn't what I was going for. But you can do a little distress look in this. I think brown would be better if you were doing a distress look with this than the black. So that's why I probably didn't like it. If it was brown, it would look like more like an aging type look. But I did go back and hit it with just one more coat of the white spray paint to take it back to the white. I filled it in with some paper and then some moss from the Dollar Tree. And Dollar Tree has different color moss too. You can get brown, all kind of different colors. And then I'm taking this craft paper. I got this out of a pack from Michael's. So you know the ones that come with all of the different colors. They have them for holidays, different seasons. And I'm just taking it and I'm cutting that in half. So this is real easy, real simple. You can also use fabric to do this if you don't want to use paper. But when you are using the fabric, you're going to need to fill it with something just to help it keep its shape. But with the paper, it keeps its shape much easier. So I'm just rolling it into a cone. And then once I have the cone shape completed, I'm just going to hot glue it. You can also tape it down, but I'm just hot gluing mine. Just make sure you use clear tape if you do tape it down because you don't want to, see it. And then once that dried, I'm just taking the top and kind of bunching it together. You don't want to be too rough because it is paper and it is hollow, but I'm bunched it together to give it kind of a carrot shape. And then I'm just going to take some twine and I'm going to finish that off. So I'm tying the twine and then just wrapping it around a bunch of times. Once I got closer to the top, I decided I was going to put the little greenery piece in, but you're going to have to cut off the excess if you have excess like I do here, but wait until you have wrapped the twine because you don't want it to, come apart. And then I just took that right there and then I hot glued it in to help it. And this came from flower from the Dollar Tree too. So, you can pluck off the flower pieces off the stems and you can pluck off the leaves too. Once I got done wrapping the twine around, I tied it back together at the bottom. And then you can just cut off the extra. You can hot glue that down however you like. And then you'll have a cute little carrot shape. And it's just nice, easy, and simple, something that you can do. And then I did another one also. I only did two because I only had one piece of this paper and I wanted everything to kind of, be the same color, but you can do these in the same color family. You can do these with more and then have like a little bunch of carrots. You can tie them together. You can add other things to this and just make like a really pretty centerpiece with a lot of nice things. But like I said, I was just doing something simple, that simple modern DIY look. So I'm just doing the two that I have because that's all the paper that I did have. And I'm just doing this one the same as I did the other one. Real easy, real simple. And this is just something that I hope gives you some inspiration to go out and make some cute spring and Easter DIYs. And I added a ribbon to the bottom of this one.